This video will demonstrate how to install the HYSYS stream user variable that links stream components to a spreadsheet and establishes a live link. To do that, you need to make sure you've got the HYSYS user variable file. That should have been emailed to you. In this example, it's scf-bill101.huv. What we're going to do in this example is we will transfer the component flows from this stream, 08 crew to heater. The mass flows, we will transfer them to a spreadsheet. So the first thing I'm going to do is to first install the HYSYS user variable. And to do that, what you need to do is open up your HYSYS file, go to Simulation, Import and Export User Variables, and select File. So you have to find this folder. In this case, this example, I put it in the desktop. So I say Select File, Desktop, locate the HUV file, say Save, and you'll notice that it's been added to this list. What you need to do is select all of them. To select all of them, the easiest thing to do is to just click, drag to select all, and say Import. Once you've imported, you'll notice that there's an asterisk, and it added this user variables in case an item here, stream. If you click on the stream, you'll notice that all of these have been imported. When that's done, say OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attach that user variable to this stream here, 08 crew to heater. So open up that stream, go to the user variables page, worksheet user variables, and click this green sign over here. I'm just going to expand the HYSYS window now. Click this and you'll notice all the user variables in order. Click to add them. They have to be in order, and I've numbered them 0 all the way up to 4. If they're not in order, you can use this button over here, these two buttons, to change the order, to move them up and down. But it's imperative that they have to be in this order. Okay. So what we're going to do now, oops, it's hidden that, is we're going to link all of this to a spreadsheet. So I'm going to install a brand new spreadsheet. In your example, it can be an existing spreadsheet, but I'm just going to create a brand new spreadsheet. I'm going to drop it here, and I'm going to call it Calc. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that there's enough rows and columns to contain everything. So I'm going to put number of rows. I'm just going to put 100 by 100 in this example. Okay, so let's go back to this user variable stream. I'm putting them side by side. What I want to do now is to set this stream up for transfer. And the first thing that happens is I need to specify the spreadsheet. So in this case, I've created a spreadsheet and its name is Calc. So I need to type this in. CALC has to be exact. There's no drop down, I'm afraid. Start cell is when you want the cell where you want the compositions to start dumping. So in this case, I'm going to say cell B3. And I have to type that again. So type B3. Next thing I need to do is to specify the type of variable. In this case, I'm going to say mass flow. Here I've got a bit of intelligence. If you type something wrong and just say mass, it'll recognize that there's no such thing. So you have to input something from one of this list. Unfortunately, it's not a selector, so you just have to type it in. In this case, I want to have mass flow. So I just have to type in MASSFLOW into that cell. MASSFLOW. And I'm going to say I want pounds per hour. Yeah, and that's all I have to do. Notice nothing has happened. Now something can only happen if this stream gets calculated. So in order to do that, I'm just going to specify, I'm going to do something to cause this spreadsheet, this simulation to calculate. And what I'm going to do is, let's make it so I can see everything, is I'll just change something here. So I will change the pressure drop. In this case, it's 3 pounds. I'll just change it to 2.99. And that should cause a calculation to occur. And you notice as soon as the calculation occurs, everything gets linked. Yeah. So this is a live link. Every time this stream changes, these numbers will change. Yeah. So that's the end of this demonstration.